Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explain how to start up a Poolins above ground pool. To unpack the pool, we proceed by removing the screws from the cover with a ratchet wrench. Following this, we will remove the wood from the upper part of the pallet. Continuing with the pre-disassembling, we hook the pre-installed straps from the pool on the truck-mounted crane. When we lift the pool, it will separate itself from the bottom of the pallet. Once the pool is placed in its chosen location, we will remove the protective plastic and check that it is well levelled. The wooden spacers will be removed, and the two straps will be unhooked by pulling them sideways with the crane. The inner cardboard and protective films will be removed. There are two options for filling the pool. One from an external hose, or alternatively, if there is a pre-installed water source, it can be done directly via the engine room. For this option, it is essential to have a plumbing professional. These air vents in the lower part of the engine room serve to ventilate the room itself and as an emergency overflow in case the water enters the room. We will fill the entire pool up to the level of the overflow channel, allowing the water to reach it and the water of the overflow tank. The water level in the tank must be between 1/3 and 1/2 of its volume. This is the safety overflow in case the pool tank is overfilled, so it can drain. The top valve is used to activate or cut off the passage of water towards the pool cleaner intake. We will open it when we want to connect a manual or automatic sweeper for a more thorough cleaning of the pool. Lastly, the lower valve connects to the tank. It must always be activated so that the water recirculates between the tank and the pool. Continuing with the setup, we will connect the pool's electrical cable to a power outlet that has been properly prepared. The outlet should be as far away from the pool as possible. As with the water connection, the power connection can go directly through the lower part of the engine room. This work must be carried out by a professional and the connection should be left prepared. Here we have the electrical panel of the pool, the mains, the programmer clock, the light switch and the treatment plant. The light switch works manually. With this switch, the exterior perimeter LED strip and the interior lighting are turned on and turned off. The other switch activates the pool filter, featuring 3 positions: off, manual or automatic. The automatic mode is used to program via the clock the operating hours of the pool cleaning. Once we have the pool running, we are going to explain the different parts of the treatment plant. First we have the pump pre-filter, then the pump, and finally the sand filter. For this explanation, we will have the control box in the manual position to detail all the functions. However, the standard is to program the clock and carry out the cleaning and filtering once or twice a day. To connect a pool cleaning tool for a more in-depth cleaning of the pool, we will uncover the pool cleaner intake with the help of the supplied polypropylene wrench and connect the pool cleaner hose. We will open the valve of the pool cleaner intake and we will close the valve of the water tank so that the full force of the suction goes through the pool cleaner. Next, we will explain the different functions of the sand filter. To begin, we will turn the valve to the filter position and turn on the electrical panel. Once the pool cleaner has finished, we will remove the hose from it and close the pool cleaner intake. When we want to clean the sand filter, we will put the valve into the washing position. We will turn on the electrical panel and wait between 30 and 60 seconds for the sand filter to be cleaned. Next, we will change the valve to the waste position and keep it for 15 seconds approximately, so that the suspended sand goes down the drain and does not go into the pool. During this, we will lose part of the pool water that will go down the drain, so at times we will have to add additional water to the pool if necessary. Turning the valve to the waste position will allow us to completely empty the pool and be able to clean it. First, we will remove the trim of the waste outlet. We will place the drain elbow attachment and turn the valve to the waste position. We will open the waste outlet valve. The water will drain through the holes placed between the walls of the pool directly onto the ground. If desired, the pool can be connected to a pre-existing draining outlet that connects the water waste system through the provided hole. Finally, we will place the valve in the closed position during long periods of disuse of the pool, such as winter time. Now we close the lid of the engine room and enjoy the pool.